Alright guys and girls, there's some short ones there. I think I'm going to do 30 seconds on this one because I don't want to waste too much, but because I've just got this new memory card which I can do 100 megabytes a second. Cost me about 50, and that was for 64 gigabytes because that's the only cards they had in stock at the time. So we're using 150 of a second. That's just to get the nice sort of smoothness on it, because it's 25 frames per second, which is UK sort of pixels, or whatever you call it, refresh rate. Right. So yeah, or hertz I should say, 25 sort of hertz. Hertz or pixels or whatever you want to call them. Not pixels actually, pixels is the actual output of the resolution, but the is it refresh rate? Not refresh rate. Yeah, refresh rate. So yeah, that's not too bad actually considering. But anyway, guys and girls, just sort of things to show you the 100 megabits a second to see how well it helps. Hopefully it doesn't overheat the battery as much, just for a couple of minutes. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching, stay safe. It is the 16th today of July 2019 at the time of the video. I'll see you on the next video, and it is Tuesday today.